The Aardwolf Kitchen Installation Cart provides a safer means of stone transportation and installation. The Aardwolf Kitchen Installation Cart is powered by a long-lasting 24 volts rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The power lift feature elevates stone up to 13.8, 4.7 inches from the ground to support rail, and enables controlled tilting for easier, less hazardous installation. The cart accommodates any size countertop up to 500 kilograms, 1,102 pounds. The cart can be used to lower, lift, and roll extremely large pieces onto the kitchen cabinet, as well as assist with final countertop placement. Flexible table surface with fixed and adjustable surfaces for different material sizes. The product consists of 3 linear activator for sliding, tilting, and rotating the table surface in height level, vertical horizontal direction, and the table surface width. The rollers support the stone slabs can move easily. The cart features a strong aluminum frame, yet only weighs 180 kilograms, 397 pounds, for convenient transport and storage. Equipped with transfer bearings located on the table surface, allows the countertop to be rolled into place without friction, and without strain. Controlled via wireless remote.